Hello, everybody. Got the pom-poms on. Yep, is my red pom-pom. I need a white and a blue one. I don't have one, just have a red one. I need more. Okay, I'm going to wait for my thing to catch up. Let's see if we can do this. Come on. And I'm early. I know, I'm sorry. Usually I would come on at 4 o'clock on Wednesdays. It's only just after 2, but I'm not sure I'm going to be around at 4. So I'm here now, and it's going to be a little different today, and I'll explain that in just a minute. All right, so let me wait. It's not up yet. And if there's anybody there, if you will please, because I'm early. You don't expect me. I just kind of popped on. If you're there, please say something. That way, Facebook knows that I'm not here by myself, and my own phone is not even there. So there. Substitute buddy chat. We didn't have buddy chat last week. I told you I was not feeling really great. Well, I'm going to explain to you what was going on. And Mindy, if you're around, you can surely chime in. She's kind of been listening to my complaints. What do I want to say? Keep looking to my camera person on the side. All right, you got to pop in. Come on, I'm here by myself.
Oh, I came in on the wrong side.
I know. I thought you had to come in over there. Okay, now we're gonna have to move you. You got to come in.
There, we'll go. There we go.
Oh. Hey, this is my daughter Britt,
Hello.
and the reason it is Britt is the one that I told you has the wonderful birthday, my favorite holiday of the entire year, coming right up.
Yep.
What is it?
July
The
4th.
4th of July is your birthday.
Sorry, did I spoil your surprise?
No, 4th of July is her birthday. What a day to be born. Can you imagine being born that? Well, I guess you can.
I know exactly what it's like.
You know exactly what it's like. What is
true.
it like?
Nobody can come to a birthday party on your birthday.
Okay, and?
You think all the fireworks are for you until you're well into your teenage years. Because every person you meet says, we're going to light fireworks for you.
And you want presents from everybody.
I did want presents from everybody.
Yep. That's okay. That's
true.
okay. It was a wonderful birthday.
And
how do you know when it's the 4th of July?
Because all the snow has melted off the mountains.
And have we looked out today?
We have, so it's my birthday, guys, in Millville.
Yeah, but it's pretty hot today. It really is pretty hot. It's been really warm. And for some reason, things are not moving very well on Facebook here. Let me make sure I'm in the right. I should have checked this first. I am not. I will too. All right, so she was born on the 4th of July. That was her predicted due date, which I have never had a baby on the day. So having it be a holiday, I figured, she's not going to come. Well, she did, right on the day. And it was a stormy day. The hospital had lost power. The trees were down.
They were camping.
We were camping up in the mountains, and I said, Larry, we got to go. We got to go now. So my brother told us, he's in the EMT, and he says, you lay down in the back of the van and just drive really fast. So because I have my babies really fast, and we got down the canyon and we started driving past the hospital, and I said, no, I think we're okay. Let's go home for a few minutes. Didn't even get a few blocks, and I said, nope, turn around. We're going back. And we didn't know why all the trees were down on the road, on the highway. But we found out that there had been a really big storm and the hospital was without power. And we get up there and we have this baby, and you were born pretty fast.
I don't remember.
I think about 45 minutes after we got to the hospital, she appeared. And at first, we named her Brittany because I thought that was a cool name. Mm-hmm. It was a going name.
It was like a 10-letter name.
Yeah, it was Brittany.
Nine letter name.
And then she was Brittany for a couple of weeks. And I thought, she's born on the 4th of July. And I hope that Valerie in the UK, this will ring true with you. I decided to change it. And I changed it to Britain. And that just fit her so perfectly. So we got our independence for Britain, and Britain was born that day. Anyway, so that's how she got her name.
I think my favorite, though, is I have 3 kids, and my kids' birthstones are red, white, and blue.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, diamond
That's cool.
is sapphire, and then...
Red, white, and blue.
Whatever Roxy is.
Well, red, white, and blue has always been my favorite colors. And
Hmm.
so I come by it naturally. I love them. Even when I was a little girl, I'd pick out things, I'd pick out red, white, and blue. Did you know that? Did you
Oh,
know
me?
that? Yeah.
Mom, I lived here for a long time. Everything is red, white, and blue.
In
We
my
have
house.
we have a Christmas tree that stays up year round. That's red, white, and
It
blue.
is red, white, and blue. It is.
Hmm.
It is totally. Well, should I get back to why
Yes.
we're here today? Okay, I wasn't here last week. I just didn't feel up to it. In fact, the last 6 weeks, I've been kind of crazy, kind of really crazy, because I've been in a lot of pain. And the doctors were trying to figure out what it was. I did MRIs, I did nerve tests, they did x rays, and they kind of figured out what it was. But they said the first thing you need to do is we need to replace your hip. And I thought, no, that's not it. It's not my hip that hurts. Well, they replaced the hip last Thursday. So Wednesday night, I was getting ready to have surgery Thursday morning. So that's why I didn't do buddy chat. I thought, I just can't put my head around it. The problem was, and maybe if we look over the last videos from the last 6 weeks, is that I couldn't sit because it would hurt so much to sit. So I'd stand and I'd sit for a minute and I'd stand. So I'm doing this recording right here. I couldn't sit long enough to say anything because within 30 seconds I'd be in a lot of pain. So I'd have to hurry and switch the camera and have you look at something else so I could stand up, which was really awkward. You weren't even here. You should
I
have
was
been
not
here.
here. Mm.
No. Anyway, so that's what we were doing. So I had the hip surgery last Thursday. Everything went well, and I'm really in very little pain right now. It's a healing pain, so it is feels so much better than what it was. And so for 6 weeks, I didn't sleep at night. I would sleep from like, am I in your way?
No, you're just making noise.
Oh, so I would sleep from like 4 in the morning to 6 in the morning. That was my easy time where my muscles would relax enough that I could sleep. So I was getting no sleep. And anyway, so that's where we are today. So Britt and her family have come up today. So they live
Yeah.
about an hour that way. And they've just come up to spend a few days here to take care of me. And she mowed my grass this morning. She weed eated. Her kids were out blowing it around. It was so wonderful to have some help. In fact, I had another son that came in, cleaned out the chicken coop, which is another wonderful thing because there was a year full of poop built up in that thing. Britt has chickens too.
I'm the reason she has chickens.
She is. She
I
is.
have never brought my chickens in the house before, and I've watched the chickens on this chat or one of the chats.
Yep, I brought
Yeah.
Gus in. I brought Gus in one time.
Yep.
Gus is so cute. I still have Gus.
Oh, good.
Whitey, I don't have. Bob Barker, I don't have. Red, I don't have. I can count all the ones I don't have anymore. Can you count the ones you don't have?
Fed eggs, fluff, or floof, I think that one. Nugget's gone. We named ours very creative. We had chicken nugget. Uh, we had 5 that we got at one time, and we called them 5-piece chicken nugget meal. We're down to a 3-piece meal right now.
A 3-piece meal?
Yeah, so one of them, their name changes every time one of them dies. And so it's just really a countdown to her own death.
Oh,
She she doesn't know she's a chicken.
I know, but I liked Fluff
I like
Floof.
Floof too.
because he had feathers that just went
He was
forever.
he was a silky. He was
That was a pretty chicken.
It was a girl. I keep saying he.
My Larry's a girl too.
Yeah,
So's Gus.
we have a Larry. Did you know that?
No, you got
Yeah,
Larry?
a lavender that's a Larry, just
I
like
didn't
you.
know that.
Mhm.
I'll have to go down and see Larry. My Larry's not a lavender.
Oh,
I
I
don't
thought
think.
it was. I have
I
a
don't know.
Roy. Roy's my head chicken,
Wow.
and I love Roy.
Whitey
Roy
was
lets me
mine.
play her. Pet
Whitey was
her.
mine, and
Pet
she
her.
is not my head chicken. Oh,
Mm.
she's gone. She's dead. Anyway, so I'm not going to be here the rest of this week. I'm going to take the rest of the week off. I just really am tired. I mean, watching Britt mow the grass this morning it just wore me out. Like I thought I can't watch any more work get done. I just need to go veg. That's all I need to do. Anyway, I can still see lots of you are there, but you're not making a comment. I want you to say something. I found out that the Facebook algorithms, you need to have comments in order to have those algorithms boot up. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. The more comments you get, then the more prevalent Facebook brings it up and will show to other people, which will bring other people in.
Gotcha.
So that's what I really want. I want to see your faces, and I came up with something new just yesterday. I haven't told you about this. I'm going to run it by you a little later today.
No,
And
I
I'm
think
going
you're
to,
going to run it by me right now,
no,
actually.
nope, I'm not. I'm not. Because I'm going to run it by you as soon as I get it solidified. And I'm kind of excited. I think it's going to be fun. So, in a couple of weeks, we're going to do something totally out there, totally different, something you have never done with anybody else. And we're going to do it here.
Awesome. That sounds fun, Mom.
It is. It's going to be fun. I've got to get all the things in place, and I'm not really working this week, so I'm not really. I designed a pattern and got it figured out yesterday, the day before, but I'm just going to take it easy. So forgive me, but I'm not going to be doing Project on the Tens on Friday. I won't be doing it then. I will give myself until the 30th to do the next project on the tens. I will be back next week for a buddy chat though. Usually in a buddy chat, we do a demo or we learn something new
Oh,
or we go over a technique. So today, I'm putting Britt on the stage. Britt has always come up with fun facts. Whenever I talk to her, she said, "Oh, fun fact for today." And she'd tell me a fun fact. So I said, "Britt, have you got a fun fact today?"
they're usually from Instagram, so I don't actually know if they're facts, but they're fun. They're
And
fun.
what'd you say? I can't do a fun fact on the spot.
I know. I had to look it up in a trivia book.
Okay,
Okay, fun fact.
fun fact.
Pablo Picasso.
Pablo Picasso.
When Pablo,
Pablo Picasso.
that is not the right accent. But when he was young and poor, he would keep warm by burning his own paintings.
He must have had a lot of paintings.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. If you want a sad fun fact,
I do.
then
No,
do
I
you
don't.
actually?
No,
Well, just
I
look
don't.
up
I don't like
where the
that.
term "raining cats and dogs" comes from. That's a
Well,
sad
what is
fun
it?
fact.
I want to hear.
It's sad.
I want to hear. I
It's
want to hear.
um.
You can't leave us hanging.
Well, I don't remember where this originated, but it came when there were a lot of rain, like heavy, heavy downpour, and it would rain so much that the streets would flood and it would kill all of the stray animals, and so they'd be floating in the streets, making it appear that
No.
it had rained cats and dogs. There,
No.
how's that for a downer?
No, I
Should
want to look
just
that one up.
Well, it was in that book that you just closed.
Was it really?
Yeah, right above the Pablo Picasso one.
Okay, open it up. Find it.
Well, this is a big book, Mom. I'll see what I can do because
So I do like fun facts. And another thing I really like is I like little hand puzzles. Remember all those puzzles I bought?
yeah, 17th century. It originated in the 17th century England. Um, it was
No, you get, that's good.
um, the animals would drown and their bodies would be floating in the rain torrents that raced down the streets, and it gave the
Oh.
appearance exactly what I just said.
Well, I don't like it.
It was just 17th century England. So
Well,
that
that's
was
sad.
a horrible fact from Gavin Webster's trivia for the toilet.
Okay, now we got trivia for the toilet. Okay. All right. Does anybody have any questions or comments? Or I don't even see that many comments. I do see that you're here. And I know because we popped on early, you're not expecting me here.
That's
And
my fault.
no, I just need a rest. It's my nap time.
Mhm.
Um, I'll tell you what's really interesting to me. When I went in for the surgery last Thursday, and they're pumping you full of, what are you doing? They're
I'm
pumping
both
you
alone
full of all
today.
this medicine to put you out and everything. And the anesthesiologist is there, and you got stuff sticking all in you. And I look around that room, and I look at the table they're going to lay me on, and it's got two ski boots down there. They're going to put my feet in ski boots. And I thought, whoa. And then the table is probably this wide that your body sits on. And then they got your head in another whatever. And I think I talked so much that they slapped the cup on my face, right?
The oxygen.
And they covered my face. So I couldn't see anything. I was looking around. There were lights everywhere. You wanted to have good light. There's machinery. And I saw a bucket of tools over there. And I thought, are they going to use those on me? But I think they probably did because I asked them.
Do you want another fun fact?
What?
Did you know that doctors, scientists, they don't know why anesthesia works? They just know that it does.
Really?
Fun fact. They don't know why.
Really?
Mm-hmm. This was an Instagram fact. It's not out of an actual book.
No, not toilet for trivia. Trivia for
Not
toilet.
trivia for the toilet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's really all I wanted to come on and say today is that I'm sorry I won't be here later on today and I won't be here the rest of the week. But just know that I am resting, I'm recuperating, and I am getting better. And the fact that I can go through all of that and walk out of the hospital with no pain, no pain.
Or a limp. She doesn't limp anymore.
It's really amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, what doctors can do, it's amazing. And I've had both knees done, and those first 2 weeks are crappy. But you know what? I'm only 6 days, 7 days into this. I've been walking since day one, walking around. I take it a little easy. I'm a little more careful just for a little while. I just need to. All right.
Yep.
If you clock in later and watch this, I hope that you'll say something. Remember, all you got to do is say boo, right? Isn't this cool?
That is cool.
It says boo.
I can read.
I know. I taught her. No, I didn't teach her.
You might have.
I don't know. I don't know if I did. All right. So this is a little behind us, and that's okay. All right. It is time to take a rest. So thank you for joining me today. If you watch later, please make a comment, and I'll watch your comments, and it makes me feel better. So thank you. And I did post last week that I wasn't going to be here because I didn't feel so great, and so many of you came on and told me to get better and wished me well and said your prayers, and I thank you so much, because that's why I'm here, and I'd love to be here. So I will see you next week. All right. And if you have fun things to post on here, maybe things that you've made that we've made together, post it. I'd love to see it. Okay. Bye bye, everybody.